morning. Welcome. If you're new here, my name is Heidi Gammill, and I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. You can find that on Amazon. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. Go grab the book. If you have any questions, I'm here for you. So this morning on my channel, I do what's called walking in circles. It's all about the small steps that are needed to reach our goals. We can only reach our goals one step at a time, and so I'm here to encourage you, to cheer you on, to break down your goals. What's your next step? So if you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll always be notified when a new video comes on. So this morning I want to talk a little bit about motivation. I love Mondays. They are so motivating for me. I wake up motivated. I wake up excited. I wake up ready to go, rearing and ready to go. And so, do you have a day like that? And if you do, are you taking advantage of it? Do you plan your motivation day to get the most benefit from it? Now, Mondays are my motivation day. I love them. I hop out of bed. I'm very productive in the morning. I get so much done, even before I go to work. But I'm going to say that yesterday, which was Sunday, I had a motivation day. And I dare say that I had been resisting this type of motivation for quite some time, for a lot of reasons. So my motivation yesterday was this dress. I put it on and I was like, oh, hello, motivation. Hello, motivation. I had been resisting this type of motivation. I got a lot going on right now, a lot of stressful things. I'm moving. Well, before moving, I had to find a house, and we've had some loss in our family as well. And all of those things are like right up there with the stress. The stress is real, insidious, but real. And so I have been very gentle with myself when it comes to motivation. So there's that. If you're going through any type of stressful situation, please be gentle with yourself and realize that, it's one step at a time, whatever your goal is, whatever the motivation is. So for me, I have been packing one box at a time and not getting stressed out about it, but like I said, it is insidious. It's so insidious that when you put on a certain dress, you're like, oh, hello stress. Hello stress, how are you? So no judgment, just motivation. So I am here to encourage you that if you do find something that motivates you, whether it be a day or a dress, then take full advantage of it. I am taking full advantage of this dress. I'm wearing it again to remind me of my motivation. And I'll take full advantage of my Monday as well. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty with a little tip. If you find your motivation, if you find a certain day of the week that is consistently motivating for you, then plan that day so that you get the most benefit out of it. If there's something external that becomes motivating to you, like this dress, then take full advantage of it to, continue to motivate you towards your goals, whatever those goals are. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you find your motivation in whatever form that it is, whether it be a day or a dress. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Grab the book. If you want to work with me one-on-one, I'm available. You can go to my website, HeidiGammill.com, and I do coaching online, and you can just book a day. The calendar is right there. And I hope that very soon I can do a reveal of our new space. It's going to take some time. I am one step at a time kind of girl. So, this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. Stay motivated and go for it. Wear your motivation if you must. Bye.